Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, Reformed Fat Man. Well, it's kind of chilly here in Atlanta, chilly for us. I realize folks in other areas, you'd be laughing at me for saying it's chilly, but it's a little chilly for us, and it's a rainy day here. And it's been a rainy day for the last 2 days. So I think it's a good day to make some soup. So I'm gonna make some chicken vegetable soup. So y'all stick around and let's get it made. Okay, I've got some chicken broth here. It's just Kroger chicken broth. Can you see it? Kroger chicken broth. That I'm going to add into this. This is leftover broth from making Thanksgiving meals. I will most likely need more, or something more at least. Okay, and I've got some rotisserie chicken here, breast meat, that I'm just going to add in there. Already cooked. That ought to be plenty. Let me get my heat going. I thought I already did that. Okay, I'm going to put it on about a medium heat at least to begin with. And I'm going to add some mushrooms. Once again, using the canned mushrooms because you can't find any decent ones that are fresh. All of them are kind of ugly and slimy. Got a can of green beans going in there. You can use frozen if you like, or fresh, whichever you prefer. Now let me mix this up just a touch here. And we're going to add us in some tomatoes. And I drained the mushrooms and I drained the green beans, but I'm not going to drain the tomatoes because I want that flavor from them. Because it's the tomato juice that's in here, and that'll give it flavor. That'll help with the flavor, adding some flavor. The others, I just packed in water, and that's not going to really impart any flavor into this, and so why would I bother? All right, so now I need to get me some cauliflower rice to add to it. And y'all stick around just a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I found these in the store and they work pretty good for making things like soup and such as that. It's just cauliflower rice, that's it. Well, lactic acid, I know that's just, but you can see it's pretty decent, and I'll add that in there. And I'm going to put another one in. Okay. Get that stirred in. Might not need to add any more broth. This might just about do it. So you've got 4 vegetables in this chicken vegetable soup. Because the cauliflower rice is not regular rice, it's rice to cauliflower, so it counts as a vegetable. So all right, now it's time to do some seasoning. So stand by while I get that for us. All right, got some garlic I'm going to add in. And this is minced garlic that's going in. And I'm going to use all of this jar here that's left. Gonna put in some salt. A little bit of pepper. Now let's stir this up. And we'll be tasting it. Y'all know me. I'm going to taste and see how it tastes. So I'll know whether the seasoning is good in it or not. If you were in here with me, you would see my wife is peering over the shoulder watching what I'm cooking.
Smells good.
I'm glad.
We're going to get a taste of the chicken.
Oh, she's stealing some of my chicken. That's stirred up nicely. Time to get some other seasonings now. Alright, I know I put chicken broth in there, but this is better than bouillon. It has an incredible flavor, and I'm going to add it to it too. Because the way I see it, you can't have too much flavor. Alrighty, now we're going to let this just simmer for a minute, and then we're going to see how it tastes and see if we need to add anything else. Okay, so I have taken a taste of it. It is perfect. My wife has taken a taste of it and pronounced it perfect. So that is how you put it together. And all I'm going to do is let it come to a boil, which it's almost there. And then I will let it simmer for a little while just to kind of get all the flavors in together. Then it's eating time. So I hope y'all will give this a try, because it is definitely soup season. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all come back. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that little bell. Ding that bell for me. I sure would appreciate it. It would help me out a lot. Till the next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey saying, let's be careful out there.
Delicious.